In this video, you will learn how to fix missing collection description on Shopify. If you'd encountered the missing collection description error on Shopify, it means that the collection you have created does not have a description assigned to it. The description is important for SEO, search engine optimization, and customer experience, as it helps customers understand what the collection is about and can improve search engine rankings. Here's how to fix the issue by adding and updating the collection's description. Step 1. Log in to your Shopify admin. Then, from the left-hand menu, click on Products, then Collection. Find the collection that is missing a description and click on it to edit. Under the collection details, look for Description field. Add a meaningful description in the box. Make sure to include relevant keywords for SEO and describe the product and what it does. The description should ideally have 100 to 400 words. Once entered the description, scroll down and click Save. If you're using a theme display description, some themes may not show collection descriptions by default on the front store. If you've added a description but it's not visible to the customer, you may need to adjust your theme settings. Step 1. In your Shopify admin, go to Online Stores, then Themes. Then click on Customization of the theme. Navigate to the Collections page in the Theme Editor. Check if there's a setting to show or hide the collection description under Collection Settings. If the description is not displayed, enable the option to show it. Click Save and apply your changes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.